Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank. Today we're going to be doing a video I mentioned in some previous ones about a blind taste test on some ginger beers to make that perfect Moscow Mule. But before I get started, if you'd like to learn more about making cocktails keto friendly and low carb, go ahead and click the subscribe button and a little bell icon and you'll be notified every time I put a new video out. So let's go ahead and get started. The Moscow Mule, one of the most popular drinks right now anywhere you go. Bar, restaurant, someone has a Moscow Mule or a version of it. What makes a Moscow Mule is your ginger beer. There's a lot of options on diet ginger beer. These are the four most popular ones that I've come across. And I've always decided which one makes the best mule. So we're going to go ahead and taste them out and try to figure this out. Now this is a blind taste test. My wife set this up. I have the answers right here. I don't know what they are. We'll kind of go over spiciness, sweetness, if it's watered down, or just the overall general flavor of the ginger. So we're gonna go ahead and start now with, we have A, B, C, D. The brands I have in no specific order are gonna be Barritts. And Barritts is less than, I think it's less than 1 gram of carb. The Zivia, 0 grams of carbs. The Goslings diet, and they are also 0 grams of carbs. And the Bundaberg. Bundaberg is 6 grams of carbs per bottle, and if you're topping your Moscow Mule with ginger beer like some people do, you're never gonna know how many carbs you're gonna get. That's also one of the reasons I like to measure 4 ounces of ginger beer to my Moscow Mules. And that's a little trick I got from Derek Schromer at Common Man Cocktails, and I'll put a link to a video where he talked about measuring instead of topping. Really good information. But so yeah, 6 grams of carbs per bottle. If you're gonna measure it out to 4 ounce servings like I normally do, 3 grams of carbs in this one. So we're gonna go ahead and taste these and see what we come up with. This is letter A. That's more along the lines of a strong ginger ale. Not really peppery, kind of sweet, mild. Like I said, I've had some ginger ales, Q Mixers makes a great ginger ale. It's really spicy. I think they put peppers in theirs. They infuse peppers with theirs. But this, nothing like that. It's more along the lines of a ginger ale. I don't see much difference from that to a ginger ale. I get a lot of water, not a lot of flavor. In a B, B's kind of the step up from this as far as, no, wait a minute. That's pretty sweet. Yeah. Not at first, but afterwards, on the back end of it, it's kind of sweet. Now let's go to C. It's got a little weird taste to it. Sweeter than B. So I'm gonna go mild, sweet, and pretty sweet on C. Try that again. Yeah, that's a little different. And D, the last one. And I thought I'd be able to pick out Goslings, because Goslings are the one I normally use for everything. It's kind of hard to pick it out. I mean, they all have the ginger flavor. Some a little better than others. And I may be picking someone better than Goslings. I don't know, we'll see. One more round. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick these. I'm gonna put these in order of my favorite to my least favorite. Go with A again. No. Then I go to B. I think I'm gonna put this one last. I'm gonna move C over there and put that there. Put this one here. It's got that artificial sweetener aftertaste. These don't really have too much of that. I'm gonna go between these two again. It's a little mild. A little sweeter, but a little more ginger. So I'm gonna go here. So this is my picks. B-A-D-C. So this one I like the most. Second, third, and fourth. So let's go ahead and see what my wife wrote down. On A, Bundaberg. All right, and this is the one that's gonna have 6 grams of carbs per bottle. And so be it. I measure mine out in 4-ounce servings for my Moscow mules, so that'll hit me 3 grams of carbs. B, I did it, yes. My Goslings, number 1. C is Barritts, and D is Zivia. So guys, there you go. In my opinion, is I do like a little more spice on my ginger beer than a ginger ale. So apparently, this is how I like it. So Goslings, number 1 in my book. Number 2 in my book is going to be Bundaberg, 3 Zivia, and C Barritts. I find it's a little more artificial sweetener aftertaste in these two than these. I don't really taste that artificial sugar in these. They taste just like a really good ginger beer. These, they're tasty. I'm not telling you to change your mind or anything. They do taste good. I just think that Barritts is a little watered down. I taste more water than anything else. So Zivia, is flooding the market right now as a ginger beer mix. I know they also make a tonic water. I know Zivia is kind of getting in cocktail mixers. The ginger beer is good. I just still, what put it over here is going to be that artificial sweetener taste. So this is it, guys. So if you want to make the perfect Moscow Mule, in my books, go with Goslings Diet Ginger Beer. If you can't find that, go for a Bundaberg Diet, Zivia, and Barritts. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day, because in a minute, I'll have a mule, and I'll have a great day too. Oh, don't forget, click subscribe, leave me a thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll see what I can do about making your cocktail low carb.